Hi, I'm Jan Nerenberg and I live in the Pacific Northwest. I've just finished a book, Stand in Stone, which is being reviewed by St. Martin's Press, and I'm currently working on the sequel, among other things, of The Grimoire's Lament. Last year during COVID, I took the Writers of the Future workshop. I found it invaluable. You can watch the videos again and again, stop and start, take notes, follow the directions, and you'll wind up with a really amazing story. You can also read L. Ron Hubbard's talks, which are invaluable as well. I highly recommend it. At the conclusion of taking the entire course, I submitted one of my stories to Writers of the Future, and I placed with an honorable mention, which you can see on the back here, as well as my website, which is jannerenberg.com, should anybody choose to get some more information about me. Thank you very much, and I hope you really enjoy Writers of the Future. Thank you.